Hi everybody, welcome to the show. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Raising A to Z. My name is Amanda. I am a teacher turned homeschool mom, and here at Raising A to Z we talk all things homeschooling. And one of the things that comes up is sometimes we have different curriculum companies reach out to us and they want to send us some stuff and let us review it on our channel. So today that's what we've got. I've got a box subscription curriculum program that comes from Flintoclass at Home, and so that's what I'm going to talk about today. Flintoclass at Home, it is a curriculum crate type package. Basically you sign up, you get your box sent to you, and it has 2 to 3 months of curriculum inside. And the nice thing about it, it is an all-in-one curriculum. So basically you open it up and it has everything that you need. You don't have to go find other resources. It has all the activities that you need. It has got all your basic subjects like math, language, phonics, and does do a little bit of science and social studies, which is kind of nice. And it is also a very hands-on curriculum. So basically every single day there is a new hands-on activity that they provide for you in the curriculum box. So that's kind of a really nice feature, is that it is a super hands-on activity program. Basically that is the cornerstone of their curriculum package, is that it is so hands-on. So there's all kinds of puzzles, games, hands-on activities, flashcards, all kinds of things that you can do that your kids can basically kind of play around and learn through play, which is always a great thing. It basically is divided up into 20 lessons, so it has a schedule that comes with it, and it has 12 days of new lessons, so it's 12 days of introducing new concepts, and then 8 days of review lessons going over what you learned, which works out to about 20 days or about a month of 5 days a week. Each one is a full month of learning, which is kind of nice. It also includes a few workbooks and some readers that go along. Basically, like I said, this is an open and go curriculum. You open it up, you pull out what you need for day one according to the schedule, and you're ready to go for a full day of learning. It's a really fun hands-on curriculum. I think it's really interesting. As a long-term homeschooler, someone who is intending to do this, homeschool our kids long-term for the next several years, I think it is a program that is a great foundation. I would be supplementing especially their social studies and science. I just find that they're a little bit simplified and a little bit lax. I would probably be doing a little bit more writing practice and a little bit more mathematical practice as well. They do have that. They do include workbooks and readers and practice books, but I just find that it's just not quite enough, in my opinion, for long term. If you're looking for something that's going to help you kind of just get through a year because of the pandemic, or just needing something right now, it is great. It's going to cover all of your basics. It's your foundation. It's fantastic. Just long term, I would probably be supplementing a little bit more. If you are looking for something that is super hands-on, this might be a program for you. So we'll put information down below if you're interested in looking into it. If you guys like this video and other videos like this, click the bell and subscribe. Also, if you want us to do more curriculum reviews, or if there's certain curriculums you want us to review, why don't you guys leave a comment below and let me know what curriculums you'd like me to go over or look at, and I will be happy to do that. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!